Today on Pipe Wrench and Peck, we're working on a toilet at Dollar General warehouse. What they do here the other day up at Dollar General?
Well, let's see.
Here, you have the camera. I gotta work.
Well, about 24 hours ago, they had a case of coronavirus. So obviously, you see why we have masks, Governor.
Yeah, you see, if we don't work, what are we gonna do? We can't quit because then what? We ain't gonna be able to sign up for unemployment until we quit our job. So we just no hazard pay either.
Yeah, normal pay. We love it.
We won't say who we're working for, but the people, for the ones that know, you know. Do we need any of this
Typical
shit?
cheap bastard shit.
Do we need any of this fucking shit?
I don't think so.
So,
this is how you work on your commodes, maintenance men at these warehouses. Being that you don't know how, we're going to show you.
Yep, we're replacing the song valves. We're replacing the song valves. I ain't take that off.
That is called a shut-off. That turns your water on and off, maintenance man.
Right there.
Right there, you see
You
that?
stick your little screwdriver in it.
You see that nipple sticking through the wall? That's all that goes to that.
It's off.
Oops, there goes your towel. Oops. Easy, killer.
Alright.
Sounds like you're packed today. You're packing everything up.
I am a packer. Hope there wasn't nobody in that stall over there.
He admitted he was a packer. It's about time.
You'll still never be pipe wrench. This is pipe dope.
Huh?
This is a little bit of pipe dope.
Pipe dope. Pipe dope, he said.
Dope it up.
Alright, so say now you're going to dope it up.
Pay
Pay attention, class.
Get doped. It
Dope her
says
up.
pipe joint compound. Pipe, joint, dope. It's all the same.
Which happens to be made out of Teflon, which is what Teflon tape would be used as. So you can use Teflon tape instead of pipe dope.
Yeah, but we like the dope.
Yeah, why not?
We the dope heads. We're gonna put a new diaphragm in.
Alright, see? Now, maintenance men of the future, you twist this sumbitch on this nipple here.
And get that motherfucker on there now, boys.
It ain't gotta be crazy tight. It just don't need to leak.
Don't need to leak. We're gonna put this motherfucker about 3 rounds around the sun.
In the words of Bobby Morgan,
Oh! Well,
edit that.
you weren't supposed to say that.
You ain't holding your pliers right.
Am I not?
Okay, now,
Now there.
once it's turned out looking about like it right there, it's about time to do something different.
Do I need to take that out?
This here is what you call a salon valve.
A salon. Salon.
See this ring and this seal right here?
Real and same.
Oh, yeah. That goes in the shut off.
Goes into it.
Just like that, you look all wonderfully beautiful. Squeeze that bitch up in there, son.
Oh.
There you go.
I got it.
Now, pull out what they call the vacuum breaker there, and let's go ahead and change that out.
Yeah, go ahead and change the vacuum breaker.
Yeah, we're going to teach these maintenance men something.
Alright. I think it's broke.
Yeah, that's one more reason to take it out.
Is that right?
Yeah, that's not right.
That's broke.
Alright, so, pull that bastard out of there. Alright. Now, class, that's called a vacuum breaker.